stand behind it?
That's a lot of people, isn't it?
Fellas.
I guess you want to see it.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Do I take a corner?
Help anyone?
Wow.
Oh, the badges as well. Oh, it's better than I could ever have imagined.
Back it up then, Freddie.
The bars! Oh, just getting on that compared to the Commando. I've done 200 miles on this bike in a year, by the way. I literally haven't ridden it at all. It's been in and out of garages. And I completely gave up. I had no hope at all that this would ever be fixed. And then Joe came along and offered to fix the bike, and I was so disillusioned with the bike. I actually didn't immediately agree to take the bike and give it to Joe because I just couldn't be bothered to even consider getting it repaired. And then after looking at bikes for about a week, I thought there's nothing that excites me as much as the idea of getting my Bonneville back. So I said to Joe, okay, it would be amazing if you'd be kind enough to fix it. And that was 6 months ago, so this is the culmination of not just 6 months, but 1 year since I got back from Morocco at the end of the trip, and the bike broke down a mile before home on the way back from Morocco, which sounds like it's playing up for camera, but it really was true. So I feel like the Bonneville just got me home, and it would almost be disrespectful to not at least let Joe try to fix it. And Joe, you've done a million times more than what I could ever have dreamed of. You've made my dream bike. Thank you so much.
Well done, Joe.
Well done, Joe.
Thank you for doing so much. Emily, I've learned so much from you. And you're
Moment of truth.
yeah,
Go on
no.
then.
That's beautiful.
Sounds sweet.
Yeah. Well done, Joe.
It looks fantastic, Freddie. It looks
Yeah,
done a
it's
great
like
job,
brand
haven't
new.
it?
At the moment, I don't deserve it. Like you start to notice all the little things, like that's new. The top
I
of the
know,
engine's
that's
new.
it, the
Those
detail.
badges are from a T120.
Yeah.
And that's new. And then coupled with the US bars, the great reservoir for everything.
Yeah.
There's so many small things. Even these things here.
Yeah.
That's been repainted. Like everything's been completely freshened up and redone. And new exhaust.
Well, we saw what they did to the engine.
Yeah, it's
it's a
amazing.
completely different engine, really, isn't
It
it?
is. It is. I mean, from where? From like up there or something, isn't it? The top half is just.
It'll be interesting what you make of how it goes compared to how it used to go.
10 extra horsepower.
Yeah.
That's quite a lot for
It
That
is,
is a lot.
yeah.
That's a lot.
No,
Yeah.
I'm sure you're going to enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's going to be good.
Fabulous.
Very good. Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you.
Going to catch up with those guys back at Triumph.
Well, what a lovely morning.
Yeah,
Been fantastic, hasn't it?
yeah, beautiful. And Freddie was very nice to us. Although
Lovely chap, isn't he?
everybody's after his attention. So,
Yeah.
but what did you think to the Bonneville? It looks
Beautiful. It looks brand new,
looks the
doesn't it?
part, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It really does look the part.
No, he's done a hell of a job on it.
Yeah. Plan now is for us to scoot to Triumph and film everybody arriving. And if you're wondering why we've not actually participated in the ride, it is so we can get there and try and capture it all on film.
No, well, we haven't really got the classic sort of style of bike, have we, for the DGR ride?
All the clothes.
So, there's some beautiful bikes there.
There are, yeah. If anybody's wondering as well, we have sponsored Joe actually for the ride, so
Yes.
we have put some money into the the kitty. We've put the money in that was earned for our channel from filming last year's Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. Didn't make a lot, did it? I think it was 5 or 6 quid it made on...
Yeah, so we've topped it up a bit. But yeah, quite a talented guy, I think, there.
He is a very talented guy, and his wife's very nice as well.
Yeah, she's lovely.
She's lovely.
Doesn't get the credit she deserves, I think.
She's the organiser, I think.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Freddie says there's no Monica there today. She's not very well, but just Freddie today.
Oh, it's nice to see quite a few other people. Some people that recognise us.
Yeah.
The guy that detailed Freddie's bike watches our channel, doesn't he?
Yes. Yes, I can't remember his name. I'm going to have to talk to him when we get to time.
He's got that Indian, hasn't he?
Oh,
so,
we want to go and have a look at that. Yes, definitely.
Yeah, of course. We bumped into Nick from Moto UK.
Yeah, it was nice to meet him. We've never met him before.
No, he knows Freddie. I think he met Freddie out in Tenerife.
It was nice to meet Buddy the biker dog.
Oh, Buddy, he's lovely,
Lee,
isn't he? He's complete with his flat cap.
Oh, that flat cap was perfect, wasn't it?
He's gorgeous, isn't he?
Yeah. Yeah. It's just I've got...
Right. Stop into that one, then where all the other bikes are.
All right.
He'll do that. Too slow, Carol. Hey, it's Buddy! Hey!
Burning all the way.
Oh, yes, that's
Wow. One of the best looking bikes here, that is.
It should do, really, if you're the detailing guy then.
You got a bit of a smoke up.
Got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys. She comes first.
Okay, guys, this is pure Triumph from Wellingborough. Right folks, well here at Triumph we've got a bit more space to look around Freddie's revamped bike. Very nice. That's Joe's CCM right next to it. Go subscribe to the Wurks. You happy with that now?
It wasn't quite perfect. This is the detailer, you see. This is
He's the guy that prepped it for Freddie.
Yeah, so they saw some mucky
Yeah, so
fingerprints
don't
on
worry.
it.
No pressure. Absolutely brilliant.
It's horrible they went like, because he said we wanted to kick the bike knife and he must have kicked his bike about 30 times.
Oh, it's sweltering.
I know.
So hot.
Anyway, it's been nice to see you, Freddie.
Likewise.
Safe journey back to London,
Thank you so
alright.
much. Likewise.
Cheers.
I've got about 1 mile's worth of fuel left in here.
Alright.
The fuel light came on 1 second after we left for the ride over.
See ya. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed watching the handover at Triumph Birmingham East and the arrival of the bikes at Triumph here.
DGR, yeah, it's been a great day.
Yeah,
Fabulous day.
beautiful
Really well
day.
organised as well.
Yeah, and
really
thanks
well
to Triumph for
organised.
doing
Yeah.
a great organisation
Yeah,
job.
it's been good.
Right,
Really good.
catch you on the next video.
Bye.